Hi, John Chenault for Plexus. In this tutorial we'll look at the screens in Plexus. Let's look at an existing show. The main area of the application displays your magic sheet. This is where you lay out the fixtures and controls in a way that makes sense for your show. We give you multiple pages of magic sheets. Click on one of the page buttons at the top of the window to select a different magic sheet. For this show, we put our area lights on page 1, our side lights on page 2, backlights and downlights on page 3, and so on. On page 10, we have placed all our fixtures in a row column format, which is useful for troubleshooting. We'll show you how to lay out your magic sheets in a later video. Let's look at some other parts of the display. At the bottom of the screen is our cue sheet. The cue sheet is a separate window that can be resized and placed anywhere you want, even on a separate monitor. For this video, we'll just park it out of the way at the bottom of the screen. On the lower right is the command box. At the bottom of the command box, we have our command buttons to switch between the various functions. Click on the record button to go into record mode. This is where you will record cues, groups, and preset focuses. Click on the live mode, and the display changes to live. The control surface updates for making changes to the live look on stage. This is where you jump to a cue, execute the next cue, etc. Click on View, and you're given a number of other windows to view. For example, if you click on the DMX display button, you'll see a display that gives you the current DMX output of the system. If you click on Create Effects, the Effects Creation window will be displayed. We'll talk about these windows and how to use them in other videos. Click on File Mode to load, save, or delete a show. This is also where you can archive a show and save or restore to a thumb drive. Click on Setup to go into the Setup window. This is where you'll lay out your magic sheets and set up the rig for your show. Click on Edit Current Rig, and you'll see the window for setting up basic information about the rig, defining new fixtures, etc. We'll talk about this more in future videos. That's it for this edition of Plexus Tutorials. Hope you enjoyed it.